Okay guys, so today I'm unboxing the Rapid Strike. Picked this up at Walmart today, and we're gonna unbox it and do things. So first out of the box, gun, trash, and now next up we have, okay, so it comes with the manual, the manual that we need, and dart in the gun. So for the gun, it's a and that's what comes with it. It's a pretty good size, fit most people. And now to make it work, you need to have 4 C batteries. Okay, so you have a rail here, 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 on the bottom. Barrel attachment point, a rail up here, collapsible stock, and that's really it. And you got the jam well in right there. And now the review. Okay, so it comes with like a couple Nerf darts. I'm falling on the table. Okay, so now we're gonna load it and try it out. Okay, so now it's loaded. We're gonna go shoot it. Yeah. Okay, now we got it loaded up. We're gonna. So let's see how far we can shoot. I gotta still know how to operate this. How does this work? How does this work? Oh, there it goes. Pour through that mag. Okay, so you can also, it has a bunch of like attachment points if you want to just ruin this thing. You got the Fortnite suppressor and grip, everything. If you want to ruin it, you can do that. Don't do that. This is horrible. Never do this. Don't ever do this. I still have one more left over on this side. So I can even, if I want to, I could put the scope on this side. And now I'm really decked out. And it also's got the collapsible stock and chin rest here. But yeah, that's the Rapid Strike. Okay, so that's the Rapid Strike. Like and subscribe, and maybe if I ever buy more, when I buy more Nerf guns, I'll do another one. I don't know. Like and subscribe, I guess. Bye.